Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10X Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is May 1st, Thursday, first of the month. XRP is at 222. Let's dive right into the charts. Guys, I'm sorry I wasn't able to update you earlier. Been swamped, busy. But the XRP ETF that I said in my previous video is actually did not get approved yesterday. I said Wednesday, April 30th, it was getting approved and going live. Well, they actually postponed the date to May 14th. So we're actually not going to be seeing the XRP ETF going live from iShares Trust until May 14th. So I know we were all expecting a massive pump from that going live yesterday. It didn't happen, got postponed. But let's dive into the charts and see what's going on anyways. So guys, we got this macro, which was resistance. We broke through, and look at this perfect wick down to it. We just kissed that resistance. We are on the daily. If we note, we did have a green day today, but we have a high upper wick with a candle body closing at the bottom. That is not the best daily candle, to be honest with you, but anything can happen. We'll see what happens with that. For instance, when we had this high wick and low candle bottom right here, we did continue further down a little bit. So, you know, we could come down a little bit to retest the 209, 208 range, and then bounce from there. That is a possibility. You can see the RSI is correcting a little bit. As far as this inverse head and shoulders go, we are still holding support on the neckline, so that's a bullish sign. Let's take a look a little bit closer at the 4-hour. So yeah, we were all the way up at 235, and we kind of washed down to the 213 range, and we did get a little pump. But notice when we bounce, this is what I like to pay attention to on the 4-hour. It does look like, guys, we are going to come down a little bit more. But this massive green candle, huge candle body on this, this red candle, this huge candle body on this 4-hour candle. And then when we bounced up, this very next 4-hour candle did not come close to clearing this candle, which would be at 224. So usually when you get a bounce, you want to see that next candle come higher than this and then continue on. Usually it indicates a good reversal. But because it didn't, and it's just slowly making smaller candles up, and I would say we are probably coming back down a little bit. And yeah, nothing wrong with that. I mean, I do think we are going to be taking off very soon. But for instance, let's see here. Like right here, you can see this candle, this massive 4-hour candle. The next candle did not come above it. We did continue higher, but ultimately we did come back down. You can see right here again, this green candle, the very next candle blew way above where this candle body was closed, and so we did continue higher. That led a nice price pump. So it's, you know, it doesn't play out like that every time, but because this second candle did not even come close to where this candle started, it has a high chance of potentially rolling down. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll take a look at it over the next couple days, see what happens. But yeah, you know, we could potentially even roll down, create a W here, a nice W, and then move higher. But we'll have to see. I would say that the likelihood of us coming down in the immediate short term would be a little bit higher than going up. But of course, I want it to go up. I want it to go higher. I want us to, you know, I do think, guys, May is the month where we're going to have a massive explosion for XRP's price. It is going to be legendary. It's going to be so awesome. Let's take a look at the weekly so far. So far, we got a red week here. We are holding strong above the resistance, which is looking nice. If we go to the monthly, we just started a new month. And guys, look at how we ended April. It's beautiful. Large tail, candle body up near the top. Very bullish candle. Bullish reversal candle for the month. Yeah, you know, we have no bottom wick yet for this new month. We just came up a little bit, so you know, you could definitely expect this to at least form a bottom wick, at least come back to 219 and maybe go a little bit lower than that, form a bottom wick on the monthly, and then continue higher and push way off on the monthly. So I'll keep you guys updated as we're going along. You know, a lot of other coins out there are down right now. So it's not just XRP that's having a slight pullback, which 221, that's nothing. I mean, we were at 230, we're at 221, so we'll keep you guys updated along the way, and definitely May 14th is the date to watch when we get that first XRP launch. So till next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your